friends, what's up? Hope you are fine. Now welcome back to ABS Tech channel. This video is very special for all Hedera hashgraph holders. If you are a holder, so watch this video with the end. If you are a not holder, so leave this video now, friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of Hedera hashgraph, what's the price change goes and Hedera hashgraph, and according to the price prediction of previous hour, we decided that it's time to buy, sell or hold Hedera hashgraph. So before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates, because ABS Tech channel update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies news. As you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of Hedera hashgraph of the previous last 1 hour, friends. So if we look the chart analysis of Hedera, so the chart analysis tell us that it's a continuously jumping period of Hedera starts now. As you can see here, continuously jumping period of Hedera starts. If we look the current situation of Hedera, so currently they are also in the jumping mode. So friends, if we look the average change of the Hedera in the previous last 2 hour, so the average change is about positive 4.12% chance occur in Hedera, and the high price of Hedera in the last 2 hour is about $0.335862 is the high price of Hedera in the previous last 2 hour. That is the last 2 hour price prediction. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. After that we decide that it's what's going in Hedera and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Hedera. As you can see, as I told you in the start of this video, that currently time is the Hedera time. As you can see here, it's a Hedera day. Today as Hedera grows up, and friends, the every change in the last 1 hour, only in the 1 hour change is positive 1.56% change occur in Hedera in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Hedera is about $0.335862 is the high price of Hedera in the last 1 hour. So friends, as according to the price prediction, the both changes, the last 1 hour, the last 2 hour changes is in positive, as you know on the screen. So friends, my decision for all of Hedera holder, if you are a holder of Hedera, so hold your Hedera hashgraph coin with the last of this month, and if you want to buy a Hedera hashgraph, so it's the best time to buy Hedera hashgraph, and if you want to sell it, so it's not a best time to sell it, because the future jumps are coming soon of Hedera hashgraph. Wait for their high jumps and make a good amount of profit. After that you can sell it. So now currently my suggestion for you that don't sell it at this time, friends. What's your opinion about Hedera hashgraph? Please share in the comment box, and also remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel, because ABS Tech channel updates you every hour from every new cryptocurrencies news.